$80 per XRP, settlement happening between Ripple and the SEC, central banks officially accepting Ripple, and so much more information is going to be discussed in today's content-packed video. And so before we get right into the video, I want to remind you guys to make sure you guys do support the video by smashing the like button. Do that right now, hitting that subscribe button with your post notifications on, and more importantly, make sure you guys go ahead and drop a share on the video. And that being said, let's go ahead and get right into today's exciting episode on the Crypto Geek channel. First things first, this is the most exciting article I have seen because it was just recently released, and it states that the prominent analyst predicts $80 per XRP by the next bull run. Now, it is crucial to understand that the next bull run is actually most likely going to be triggered by the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit, in which if a settlement happens, the market is going to boom to the greens, meaning it is actually going to flip into a bull run. And or if we actually get the positive result, which means a SEC case result with Ripple officially winning the lawsuit. So if we get any of those, a settlement or a Ripple win, we are going to see the markets officially once again go just bright green, and that is going to trigger a bull run. And this has been made clear on multiple occasions, in which even a Reddit post was posted on September 19th, stating that yes, a settlement would definitely trigger a bull run if a settlement for Ripple and the SEC were to happen. And we are going to be talking about the fact that it is most likely going to happen. Let's get back to the article. Egrig Crypto made it clear that he states XRP candle 21 and $80 price target. If my thesis or candle count is rhyming with current price action of XRP and with historical price action will rhyme again, then XRP targets is as follows: 60 cents, then down to 22 cents, up to $1.20, $3, $13, $60, and then of course $80. And he does actually show you guys a bit of the chart action right here, in which he states that the price action would actually be a 22,902% upside potential for XRP. And if we have a quick look at the chart action, it does actually show that, as you guys can see, candle 21 right there. It shows you that, the 120, the 3, the 13, and then the $60 as well as the $80 range as well here. So very interesting stuff that we are looking at. And again, this is potentially going to happen. We are looking at a cryptocurrency right now, XRP, at around less than 40 cents, but the upside potential for XRP is really what everybody's looking at. Just imagine your money when XRP goes from 40 cents to $80. Huge upside, huge potential. Now, of course, this is not financial or legal advice, but let's go into the second greatest thing, which is actually a settlement that is going to be happening between Ripple and the SEC. In fact, this has been shown in a meeting with SEC and Ripple, a closed meeting to be exact. And there actually isn't a lot of information that has been posted about it because it's a closed meeting and it's not open to public. But we did find out that some of the subject matters that they are going to be talking about is actually institution and settlement of injunctive actions, institution and settlement of administrative proceedings, resolution of litigation claims, and other matters related to the examination and enforcement proceedings. Now, again, this isn't a fact. I'm not saying this is 100% going to be the settlement discussions for Ripple and the SEC. In fact, this is a meeting that happens on a reoccurring basis, but to see that there's actually one scheduled on January 19th is a very good sign because it actually aligns with all the other things that show a settlement is most likely going to happen, and I'm about to show you guys that right now. Before we move forward, I want to remind you guys of metalcrypto.com, where you can buy your own personalized metal crypto coins, including the Ripple XRP coin with case, which actually looks extremely sick and comes in gold and silver, as well as the XRP coin with case too, and it also comes in gold and silver. They also have a bunch of other crypto coins like USDT, Stellar XLM, which is actually another favorite of mine, Shiba Inu, and a ton more. So again, like I said, make sure you guys do check out metalcrypto.com. If you do use the link in the description, you will get 10% off. So make sure you guys do that, check them out, and let's get right back into the video. Just a short bit ago, we got some breaking news from multiple banks across the globe, including the Bank of Mexico, in fact, the Central Bank of Mexico, in which a very rare document establishing a connection between Ripple and the Central Bank of Mexico, with XRP being the bridge currency between fiat currencies, was actually made public. Now, of course, this is huge news. In fact, breaking news. And as you guys can see, it says, the Ripple right here from the Senior Product Council to the Central Bank of Mexico. And he does talk a lot about that right. It mentions that rapid payments or X-rapid payments, which are fully settled in 2 minutes or less and reduce costs by 47%. This near instant settlement is in contrast to cross-border payments in the traditional system that take 3 to 5 days to settle. Of course, like I said, this is absolutely fantastic news, and it coincides actually with the timing of the SEC versus Ripple case. And we are seeing a lot of positive things come towards Ripple in this SEC lawsuit. A lot of it actually re-emphasizes the idea of a possibility of a settlement. But we have to understand that, seeing news like this where the Central Bank of Mexico is talking about this, where, as we spoke about in the previous video, we heard that a crypto exchange is going to be listing XRP, actually shows us that the SEC is looking for a resolution with the lawsuit with Ripple. And that a settlement, especially with these meetings, are going to be the likely, result that actually happens between Ripple and the SEC. And that's not all, guys. There's also the Central Bank of Uruguay, which has officially declared Ripple a partner, Altima Software SAS, to become registered as a money transfer company and granted them the right to specifically outsource services to Ripple. So again, some more breaking news that we have here. Just a lot of breaking news that has been coming out lately, all very, very positive for Ripple and XRP investors. The Bank of Thailand also adding to that list, in which, as you guys can see here in a statement or an article that has been shown, digitalization on the Bank of Thailand on financial services and implications for monetary policies in Thailand. And they actually do discuss here again details as to why they are looking for something that they believe is going to be more reliable, an e-payment system that is using cryptocurrencies. So we do see that, Ripple company for cross-border payment methods has been listed. And so we are expecting Thailand to officially use XRP. So there's a lot of these companies and countries nowadays, as we just spoke about, 3 countries right now, Thailand, Mexico, and the Uruguay, that has officially stated that they want to go ahead and use Ripple as a cross-border payments and for their central banks to use Ripple. And that automatically means that XRP is going to be used, because if you guys didn't understand yet, to just kind of simplify it for you, the RippleNet system, which Ripple uses to do cross-border payments, has and must have XRP to process those payments. So again, a lot of crucial things here. Another thing to add to this, guys, again, lots of things, I told you guys, lots of things to speak about in today's video. XRP right now is perfectly positioned to serve the world as the world bridge and reserve currency. In fact, Arthur Brito said XRP must be scalable to accommodate 7.5 billion people. It would also explain why the IMF and the World Bank, so this is the forums, the International Monetary Fund, have actually positioned a very positive position about Ripple and what it's trying to accomplish. And this is getting some crazy good news, because as we actually just found out recently, Ripple says that 90% of central banks are pursuing CBDC projects, and they are actually going to these countries and going ahead and selling them on the idea of using Ripple and XRP, because it is a very high advantage for the countries that are now trying to implement CBDCs or central bank digital currencies. In fact, the International Monetary Fund has actually stated that on one occasion, 110 central banks are at one stage or another in their CBDC development. Blockchain payment firm Ripple Labs Inc. has revealed in its recent report tagged CBDCs, the future of fiat, that about 90% of central banks are actively involved in floating the digital version of their currency. And so I do see a lot of positive things for Ripple XRP. In fact, I do believe XRP does have the potential that we spoke about in the beginning of the video, talking about $80 per XRP. In fact, I believe that this is something that actually could happen on the low end. We're talking $80 per XRP on, the low end of things here. And on multiple occasions, we've seen big investment firms as well as venture capitalists come out and say that they believe XRP is going to hit $10,000 to $35,000. Yes, you heard that number right, $10,000 to $35,000. In fact, there is actually a buyback program that is about to be sent to the federal government for $50,000 per XRP. So yeah, this is where we are now. Again, I really do hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe to the channel with your post notifications on, share this video guys all around, and like I said, let me know your thoughts down below. Comment down below in the comment section, because I'm going and reading every single comment that you have posted, as well as if you're not already following me, make sure you do follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Crypto Geek News on Twitter, Instagram, Crypto Geek YT. All my social media links are down below. Check out metalcrypto.com as well. And guys, finally I am officially back from vacation, which means I'm going to be uploading a lot more. It's been about 23 days since the video before the one I just posted yesterday, but now we are going back into the flow of uploading almost daily videos. I'm going to try my best to do daily videos. So of course, like I said, stay tuned. Lots of crazy news for Ripple XRP. In fact, I have a list of videos that I want to make that are going to change your mind on Ripple XRP and really tell you why Ripple XRP is the one and how the price is going to change people's lives in the next couple of months. So of course, make sure you guys, like I said, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.